How to get the troll kitten. Step 1. Go to the obby where the realistic cat is and jump in that hole. Ignore that, that's for the feral kitten. Anyway, step 2. Complete the laser obby. But if you don't have the mad scientist kitten, you can get it. And then you go here. And then you go here. Then you go into the portal. Step 3. Do not fall for a single trap because it is called a troll obby. Watch where I am going. And do not fall for a single trap. You would get trolled if you do. You see, there's a trap that could be useful. You just go here, then you jump over this gap. Over here, there's a trap. You go here instead, then you go here. But be careful, because if you jump here, you're gonna fall. So you're supposed to jump over it. And that is how you get the troll kitten.